Hello and welcome to day 18 of Festive Tangles. We are almost at the end of this series, but there are 3 more tangles, and today's is named Evergreen by Barbara Johnson. And you will see, because it's very obvious what this tangle is about, and I'm drawing these very organic, so I'm not trying to make it like straight. You can see how I'm making my lines deliberately shaky, because it's basically a stylized Christmas tree. And obviously, just by using different sizes and shapes of these fragments of it, you can make it bigger or smaller. And on the bottom, I will add one more. And of course, I can't help it. I will just add these little blobs of ink, rounding, my favorite tangle enhancer. And now in the original step out, you basically add these lines. It's almost like Tangle by Zentangle must, you know. I don't know if you know the ones. So you start from the top and then add these wiggly lines, and they can be shorter and then extended into little dots as you move away from where the line begins. It will help with the shading, obviously. So I'm just going to do that. Normally, if you would draw mist on a larger scale, you would make these lines, individual lines, parallel to each other. But because this is such a small space that I'm adding these two, I'm not even trying to make them parallel. And now when I add shades, it will just, some of it will be muted by the shades that I'm adding. Right. It's a cute little thing. Very, very simple. I will add a few more of these to the top too. And of course, then you choose what kind of embellishments you would add. And I'm adding this white, but I'm not like doing the full line. I want it to look a little bit more organic, like it might be some snowy effect. And I will add the same on the sides. Just imagine that it's snowing. Maybe I can even add some snowflakes all around the thing. I mean, when you are making these unique cards, like Christmas cards or tags or whatever, it can be the simplest thing like this one. And it's very cute, and it's still something that you made with your own hands. And I think it makes a difference. Thank you for drawing this evergreen cutie with me, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.